So it's 5:04 a.m. And I remember telling you guys that I work 6 a.m. I don't think I broke it down. I mean, that I leave out at 6 a.m. I don't think I broke it down perfectly. I'm off Mondays and Tuesdays. Look at these hookers on the corner. Look at these. Oh God, they're like the worst hookers ever. I work 6:30 to 3, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Saturday and Sunday, I work 5:30 to 2. So I'm running a little late. My smartphone died, obviously. You can switch the times and stuff on that. But the alarm, you have to manually switch from the 6:30 alarm to the 5:30 alarm. I had it on the later alarm, and oh, look at that possum. I forgot to switch it to the earlier alarm. But my natural instincts woke me up. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of the vlog. I'm out. Hey, what's up?
Hey, Bill, how's it going, man?
Hey, how's it going? You got any turkey sausage coming up?
Yeah, about 2 minutes.
What's up?
I'm so tired.
How you doing? Yo, good looking.
Hi.
How you doing?
I'm
Tired?
okay. 4:30.
How you doing? So I was rushing this morning. Then I was a little earlier because I don't know, because I was rushing. So I said, I got time to go to Wawa for some breakfast. So I could show people how I look in Wawa, stuff like that, and then right back behind. So I started rushing, then I had to run to the clock, but I made it. I made it. Bram, the brand new brother in town. What up?
What's going on, man?
What's up, Bram? You chilling?
Yeah.
That's what's up.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go to the ATM right now, get some money out, find somewhere to sit, get on my laptop for a little while. I got 1 more hour to work. Then that should be all she wrote.
Come on, one more. What's that?
A camera.
Oh, nice.
Say hi to her.
Hi.
Give me a goodbye hug. Oh.
They're gonna get jealous. Who's that?
So everybody always love you when you're leaving. They don't love you when you're there, but when you're leaving, they love you. Look at this view. Whoa. Look at that view. All right, so I just saw my bus ride by. Oh my God. What button? This one? That? That's a button? Thank you. I never knew that was a button. Ever. Can I sit right there, please?
Yeah, love you so.
Thank you.
Come here, look.
It's a camera.
Why you got a camera? How you got this? Why?
Private investigator.
I'm not punching. You won't get punched and I'm asleep.
Why would you punch and shoot? She gonna punch and shoot. You can't drive. I seen you drive before. You ran a cat over before. I saw you.
Hey.
You ain't think I saw that, did you?
I never ran. I probably ran a possum.
I did see a dead possum on my way to work today.